In this video, I am going to show you how to fix the runtime error in C++ of Microsoft. So for this, what you need to do is go to the start button, then you have to search for the settings option from here. Here you can get the settings option, and when you click on the settings option, it will take a couple of seconds to get loaded. After that, you have to go to the apps option from here, then you have to click on the installed apps, then you have to wait couple of seconds from here to it get loaded all the apps that you have in your device. Then you have to search for the C++ from here, and here in the first option you have to click on the three dot option from here, and here you will get the option of modify. Since my C++ is working correctly, that's why the modify option is not currently workable. But if you click on the modify, you will get the option of repairing from there. You have to simply click on the repair, and then you have to give couple of seconds to get it repaired. After that, you can see that the problem is fixed or not. After that, if that problem is not fixed, then what you can do is come back to this page again after following the same rules. Then you have to click on the three dot, then you have to click on the uninstall. After that, you have to go to the Chrome browser or the browser that you prefer. Then in the Google, you have to search for the Microsoft Visual C++ download, as I write here. Here you can see. Then after that, you will get this page. Here you have to choose the first option, then you have to click on the first option from here, then you have to scroll down to the bottom, and here you will get the three files. One is x64, that means if your computer is 64-bit, you have to download this file, and if your computer is 32-bit, you have to download the x86 file. So my computer is 64-bit, you have to simply click on this file and it will get started to download. After that, when the file is downloaded, you have to simply click on it and it will getting start to install the version automatically, and it will take couple of seconds to download it. And that's how you can easily fix the Microsoft Visual C++ issues problem. And thank you very much for watching this video, guys.